Welcome to Wood Fun. Check out our premium MJ6116 precision panel saw. Fitted with a sturdy 3 kilowatt full copper motor, it uses a 300mm main saw blade and 105mm scoring blade for clean, chip-free panel cuts. It features an extended thick precision cross ruler and heavy-duty fine-tune rip fence for precise sizing. The 1.6m x 27cm smooth sliding table pairs with a solid cast iron core and enlarged auxiliary table. A digital screen shows the saw blade tilt angle for easy, accurate angle cuts. Small in size but fully functional, this saw delivers high precision and durable quality, perfect for all woodworking shops. Unpack the MJ6116 and check whether all accessories are complete. Remove the dust guard plate. Turn the screw clockwise to loosen it, then remove the main saw blade cover plate. Turn the screw counterclockwise to loosen it, then remove the scoring saw blade cover plate. Install the scoring saw blade and ensure the saw teeth face to the left. Tighten the screw clockwise to secure the saw blade firmly. Install the main saw blade and make sure the saw teeth face to the right. Tighten the screw counterclockwise to secure the saw blade firmly. Install the splitting knife. The splitting knife must be aligned with the saw blade. The splitting knife must be aligned with the saw blade. Lock the nut after adjusting the position of the splitting knife. Install the dust guard plate. Install the sliding table with approximately 28 cm overhang on its left side. Adjust the angle of the sliding table. Install the sliding table with approximately 28 cm overhang on its left side. Secure the sliding table. Install the swing arm leg and swing arm. Install the sliding arm. Install the cross ruler table. Install the cross ruler. Secure the cross ruler table. Measure the width of the workpiece. Set the cross ruler to the width of the workpiece. Clamp workpiece to saw blade, cross ruler to workpiece, calibrate cross ruler reading. Align cross ruler perpendicular to saw blade with tri-square. Secure the cross ruler. Install the support rod. Install the sliding table push stick. Install the hold-down device. Install the side auxiliary table. Level the side auxiliary table using these 2 screws. Install the rear auxiliary table. Level the rear auxiliary table using these 3 screws. Install the support legs of the rear auxiliary table. Install the rip fence guide rail. Install the rip fence and ensure the slot of the locking block faces the guide rail. Install the rip fence and lock it in place. Notice, leave a gap between rip fence and tabletop. Lock rip fence. Measure distances from both sides of saw blade to rip fence. Adjust rip fence angle via 4-threaded rods to equalize readings on both sides of saw blade. Install the rip fence ruler. Measure workpiece width, clamp workpiece to saw blade, fit rip fence flush against workpiece. Loosen the ruler fixing screws and calibrate the rip fence ruler. Install the push stick. Standard, 3-phase power, single-phase power customizable. Quick start and stop of the motor. If the large saw blade rotates counterclockwise, swap the connection positions of any 2 live wires. The correct rotation direction of the main saw blade is clockwise. Turn the side hand wheel to adjust the height of the saw blade. Big saw blade, 2 to 3 centimeters above workpiece. Scoring saw locking screw. Adjust scoring saw height. 1 to 2 millimeters above sliding table. Adjust the horizontal position of the scoring saw blade. Tighten the locking screw. Mark R and L as shown in the video. Flip the workpiece and cut half of it. A side broken. Move scoring saw right. L side broken. Move scoring saw left. After locking the rip fence, fine adjustment can be carried out via the fine-tuning screw rod. Extend cross ruler to cut longer boards. Cross ruler with magnifier for accurate measurement. Use hold down for small boards. Fast and clean cutting without surface damage, with high precision and stable performance. Lower scoring saw fully before 45 degrees cuts. Turn the front hand wheel to adjust the saw blade angle.